Hey, this is Dwayne, Whiskey 4 Foxtrot Delta Tango. We're out doing a Parks on the Air video today. We're at Park 7899, Carter's Lake Wildlife Management, as you can see. Of course, I'm in the car today, not the Jeep. We've got the park pretty much to ourselves. We came out here, we're gonna work for a couple hours, myself and Doug, November 4 Delta Juliet Romeo. We've got the Buddihex set up. We got 20-meter band ready to go, so we're gonna try to make some contacts. We're on an elevated position here. I'm not sure you can see, but we're above a dam. They're not generating power, so I don't think that's going to be a problem. So if you'll stick with us, we're going to do some activation. Hope to catch you on the air. Whiskey Delta 5, Charlie Sierra Kilo. This is Whiskey 4, Foxtrot Delta Tango. You're 5-5 into Northwest Georgia, Park 7899.
QSL, you're 5555 Oklahoma. Thanks. You have a great day.
Yes, sir. Thanks for the contact. 73 QRZ Parks in the air. Whiskey 4 Foxtrot Delta Tango. Okay, Kilo 5 station.
Kilo 5 Alpha Papa Delta Charlie.
Okay, Kilo 5 Alpha Papa Delta. Is that correct?
Roger, Roger. You're a 5-8, stayed in Mexico. November Mike.
I copy 5-8. You're 5-9 in Northwest Georgia, Park 7899. If you'll stand by, I have another operator.
Roger.
Kilo 5 Alpha Papa Delta. This is November 4 Delta Juliet Romeo. Got you at a 5-9 into Park Kilo 7899. QSL?
QSL, it kind of went down, so you're about a 5-5 now. 5-5, stayed in New Mexico, Roger.
Roger, Roger, 5-5 New Mexico. Appreciate the contact, friend. 73s.
Kilo Whiskey 7 Echo.
Kilo Whiskey 7 Echo.
Kilo Whiskey 7 Echo. This is November 4 Delta Juliet Romeo. I've got you at a 5-5 into Park Kilo 7899. QSL?
Roger, you're 5-8, 58 in Arizona. So is your friend that's with you. My name is Mel Mike Echo Lima, KW70.
Roger, Roger on the 5-8. Stand by and I'll let you make contact with the other operator.
Kilo Whiskey 7 Echo. This is Whiskey 4 Foxtrot Delta Tango. You're 5-5 into Northwest Georgia, Park 7899.
You're hitting 5 and 9 as you turn it over. Thank you. Good luck.
Okay, thanks for the 5-9. Thanks for the contact, friend. 73 QRZ Parks on the air. Whiskey 4 Foxtrot Delta Tango. Kilo Charlie 5 station.
Kilo Charlie 5, Quebec Charlie Bravo.
Kilo Charlie 5, Quebec Charlie Bravo. You're 5-9 into Park 7899, Northwest Georgia.
QSL, I got the 5-9, you're 5-9 plus into West Texas.
I copy 5-9 plus into Tango X-ray. Stand by for the second operator. Thanks for the contact.
Kilo Charlie 5 Quebec Charlie Bravo. This is November 4 Delta Juliet Romeo. Got you 5-9 into Park Kilo 7899. QSL?
QSL, I got the 5-9, you're also 5-9 plus into West Texas. 73, thank you both for the park. Have a safe holiday.
Roger, Roger. You do the same. Appreciate the contact. 73s. QRZ Parks on the air. November 4 Delta Juliet Romeo.
Whiskey 5 Foxtrot India X-ray.
Whiskey 5 Foxtrot India X-ray, I think.
That's right. Let me make sure I got the call sign right. Whiskey 5 Foxtrot India X-ray. QSO?
Roger, Whiskey 5 Foxtrot India X-ray. I have you 5 plus 10 outside of Houston, Texas.
Roger, Roger. Whiskey 5 Foxtrot India X-ray. Got you 5-9 into Northwest Georgia into Kilo 7899. QSL?
Roger, I copy. Thank you very much. 73.
All right, stand by for a second. Operator, please.
Whiskey 5 Foxtrot India X-ray. This is Whiskey 4 Foxtrot Delta Tango. You're 5-9 into Northwest Georgia, Park 7899.
Thank you very much for the 5-9. I've got you 5-9 plus 10 outside of Houston, Texas.
I copy. Thank you for the contact, friend. 73 QRZ Parks on the air. Whiskey 4 Foxtrot Delta Tango. Kilo 5 India Juliet Delta. This is Whiskey 4 Foxtrot Delta Tango. You're 5-9 into Northwest Georgia, Park 7899.
Contact QSL. You're also 5'9". Can I have your call sign one more time?
Sure, this is Whiskey 4 Foxtrot Delta Tango. Whiskey 4 Foxtrot Delta Tango.
Whiskey 4 Foxtrot Delta Tango. Thanks for the contact. You're 5'9", 73.
73, friend, thanks for the contact. QRZ Parks on the air, Whiskey 4 Foxtrot Delta Tango.
K5 Sierra.
Kilo 5 station.
Kilowatt 5 Golf Radio Sierra.
Kilowatt 5 Golf Radio Sierra, you're 5'9", into Northwest Georgia, Park 7899.
QSL, you're 5'9" here in Houston, Texas. Over.
Copy 5'9" Houston, thanks for the contact. I have a second operator if you'll stand by.
Kilo 5, Golf Romeo Sierra. This is November 4, Delta Juliet Romeo. Got you 5'9", sir, into Kilo 7899. QSL?
QSL, you're coming here, booming 5'9", Houston, Texas.
Roger, Roger. Appreciate that 5'9", Houston, Texas. And appreciate the contact, friend, 73.
73.
Roger, QRZ, Parks on the air, November 4, Delta Juliet Romeo.
November 5 Bravo call.
Ending in Bravo.
Kilowatt Yankee 5 Bravo.
Kilowatt Yankee 5 Bravo. This is November 4, Delta Juliet Romeo. I've got you 5757 into Park Kilo 7899. QSL?
Yeah, copy 7899. Thanks for the activation out there at 73 from North Texas, KY5B.
Roger, Roger. Stand by for second operator.
Kilo Yankee 5 Bravo, this is Whiskey 4 Foxtrot Delta Tango. You were 5'9", into Park 7899, Northwest Georgia.
Yeah, QSL 5'9", Georgia. You're 5'9" here in North Texas, 73. Have a good activation.
73, friend, thank you for the contact. QRZ Parks on the air, Whiskey 4 Foxtrot Delta Tango.
Whiskey Alpha 5 Kilowatt Mike.
Alpha 5 Kilowatt Mike, you're 5'9", into Park 7899, Northwest Georgia.
Thank you very much. You're 5'9" here in the North Texas and Denton, Texas. Thank you very much.
Okay, thanks for the contact. Stand by, I have a second operator.
Alpha 5 Kilo Mike. This is November 4, Delta Juliet Romeo. 5'9", sir, into Kilo 7899.
Thank you very much. N4DJR. This is AA5KM. Excellent. Thank you very much for returning the call. You guys are 5'9" today there in Georgia. I want to let you know you're my second contact on a new rig setup. It's been 30 years since I've been on the air. And you're call number 2.
Hey, Roger, Roger. What kind of rig you got?
Oh, it's an ICOM 706 MK3G. And I've got it set up here in the closet in the house. And got my son. In fact, I'm going to let you have another call here. My son just got his general class license. So if you'll take another call, I'll let him take mine.
Roger, Roger. Let's have it.
KI5QZL.
QZL. KI5QZL.
Kilo India 5 Quebec Zulu Lima. This is November 4 Delta Juliet Romeo. I've got you 5959 into Park Kilo 7899. QSL?
QSL. 9590 Denton.
Roger, Roger. Appreciate the 5'9" from Denton. If you'll stand by, I have a second operator for you.
Kilo India 5 Quebec Zulu Lima, this is Whiskey 4 Foxtrot Delta Tango. You're 5'9" here in Northwest Georgia, same park, 7899.
Tell you congratulations on this general test.
Yeah.
WS44DT. You're 5'9" here in Denton, Texas.
Okay, that's Whiskey 4 Foxtrot Delta Tango. I've copied your 5'9". Hey, congratulations on your general. That 706 your dad's got, that's a perfect radio to get out and play mobile radio. Get on the Parks on the Air program with the rest of us.
Thank you very much. This is actually my first call.
Oh, that's awesome. Well, I'm glad that we could help you out there. So this is the first of many. Get on the air and spin the dial. There's a lot of Parks on the Air people out there just dying to make contact with people. So have fun with it. And congratulations again. And from over here in Northwest Georgia, that's 73.
73, thank you.
And we've also making a YouTube video, so we'll put you in the YouTube video since it's your first HF contact.
Okay, thank you very much. This is
It's awesome.
QZO. Out.
All right, 7-3. All right, this is Whiskey 4 Foxtrot Delta Tango. We're calling CQ for Parks on the Air. CQ Parks on the Air, standing by. Okay, Whiskey 5 India, November Charlie, you're 5'9", and depart 7899.
Roger, you are 5'9", into Houston, Texas. Name here is Mike, Michigan, India, King, Echo. Beautiful signal.
Okay, Mike, thank you for standing by while we took a turn for that new operator. We appreciate all you guys standing by. I know that's aggravating sometimes, but he's a new operator, so we need to give him some airtime also. So I've got another operator here if you'll stand by.
Absolutely.
Whiskey 5, India, November Charlie, Mike. This is November 4, Delta Juliet Romeo, Doug, and Park Kilo 7899. I got you 5'9", surround to the park. QSO.
QSO, good afternoon. Pleasure to meet both you fellas. Nothing wrong with taking time to introduce new folks to the hobby. You are 5'9", Houston, Texas. And fellas, good luck with the activation. Thank you for the new one.
Hey, Roger, Mike. Appreciate the contact, friend. 73s.
QRZ, Parks on the Air, Whiskey 4 Foxtrot Delta Tango. Kilo 5 Sierra Delta Whiskey. You are 5'9" plus here in Northwest Georgia, Park 7899.
Yes, sir, you're 5'9". We are over Atlanta at 35,000.
I copy. Over Atlanta, 35,000, friend. Be safe and thank you for the contact, and stand by for another operator.
Kilo 5, Sierra Delta Whiskey. This is November 4, Delta Juliet Romeo. Got you solid 5'9" into Park 7899. QSO.
QSO, you're 5'9", over Atlanta, 35,000 feet.
Roger. I believe I worked you once before. You were over the Gulf of Mexico once before.
Very likely that was me, yes, sir.
Roger. Hey, I appreciate it. QSL card had a airplane spelling out your call sign on the front of it.
Oh, no, that's a different guy. That's a great idea.
Hey, Roger. Hey, appreciate the Air Mobile there, and be safe and have fun flying there.
73, my friend.
Hey guys, so we just completed our Parks on the Air activation here at Carter's Lake Wildlife Management Area. You may not be able to see behind us, but that's the dam area down there. They're not giving any dam tours today.
No damn bait.
We had a great time. It was hot, but we had a great time. We put a ton of contacts in the log. We set up the Hexbeam. We worked 20 meters for a good 45 minutes or so. Pile up from the time we started to the time we changed bands to 40 meters. So we were able to get some of our favorite people in the log. Shout out to K5YVY, Joe Brett. We got him in the log. Mean mugging us all the way. He tried on the 705, but hey, he had to go get on a real radio, and then we could hear him just fine. So we're glad he gave us the opportunity to get him in the log. But we had a great time. We still had people calling us when we started wrapping it up. We got to get packed up again. We're an hour and a half from home, so.
What did we get, 153?
153 contacts, because we had a dual activation. If we were sitting here by ourselves, it would have been just a crazy amount of contacts in the log. But we had a great time. We hope that you had a good time watching the video. I'll put some more videos in the cards at the end. You can catch some of our activations. Doug's going to start his channel up here pretty soon, so be watching for that. So we're going to wrap it up. This is Whiskey 4 Fox Delta Tango.
November 4, Delta Juliet Romeo.
7-3, guys.
Peace out.